She walks in the room, all eyes on her, but they're rolling like bowling balls. Whispers start flying like paper planes, but she's got no time for their silly games. Shut your dog mouth! I said shut your dog mouth! Silence that snout. At the cafe sipping on her chai, they're glaring like she stole the last French fry. One leans over, girl, what's that dress? She leans back, says, oh lordy, yes, you hot mess. So you can shut your dog mouth. Oh, you better shut your dog mouth. Go bark somewhere else, you stupid clown. Yap, yap, yap like they're on a roll, but she's got a vibe they'll never control. It's her life, her stage, her own parade. She's got no room for your tirade. Oh, she's heard it all before, the snickers and sneers, but today's the day she's got no ears. Right before they spit their petty sound, she shuts them up with a line so profound. Shut your dog mouth! Oh yeah, shut your dang mouth! Keep a leash on your words, no barking allowed. So if you see her strutting, don't you dare be sly, unless you wanna hear her battle cry. With a wink and a snap, she's shutting you out. And you can, and you can, and you can. Shut your dog mouth! Shut your damn dog mouth! Shut your dog mouth! Silence, silence the snout. Yap, 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 yap. Yap, 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 yap. Yap, yap, yap.